Hello YouTube, Anonymous Stacker here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing if you guys find value in my content. So this is the second time I'm actually recording the same video. Just right now, like 5 minutes ago, I finished recording this video and I realized my mic wasn't plugged in, and I checked the video quality and the sound quality was awful, so I thought to make a gain so that you guys can have like a better quality content. Alright, so today I want to talk about my older video which I published on 25th of the 24th of December, and I'll put a link to that right now, in which I speculated the short-term price of gold and where it's going to be headed, and I left this this tool on, which shows us what our predictions were. So if our predictions were that if the price were to end up here, we would like close the trade and we won't take any more losses. This is called a stop loss, and our take profit was right here, and we still haven't reached any of those, so we're still in the trade and we're in the money. But I think we're gonna be seeing some reversal right now, because this is a very nice support for short term. It's not a long-term support, but it might just come down before it goes up, or it might even just stay here for uh, a couple of days before it moves. Markets can go sideways, and actually most of the time they are going sideways. Only it's like a little percentage of time when it's actually trending. Okay, so, and guys, don't take this trade because I'm taking this trade. I'm not a financial advisor or anything. I'm a guy who's anonymous on the internet. Before you make any financial decision, make sure to do your own research or talk to an actual financial advisor. All right. So how I took this trade is using my indicator called Anonymous Stacker Lines, and it is not a public indicator. It's only for me to use because I know the source code. I got this made by one of the programmers because I told him my concept and he put the numbers in for me. So, and that's how we get these lines that you can see here. Okay, so how this trade works is, first of all, we only want to go with the trend. So trend is your friend, and that's a very basic thing to know, and you should always go with the trend. But how do you know the trend? How do you define a trend? Well, in this strategy, it is if the price is above this line, this 200 EMA, this is a long-term moving average. If the price is above it, then we're in an uptrend and we're only looking to trade up. Okay, and if the price is below this trend line, we're only looking to trade down. Pretty simple, right? So that's our first rule. And the second rule in this strategy is to see if the price breaks above this blue line and closes above this. And guys, this is a Japanese candlestick 1 hour, so 1 bar represents 1 hour of data. And if you guys don't know how to read charts, I will highly recommend that you guys go and watch my other video, which I'm just gonna put a link on top right now, in which you can learn some basic chart reading skills. Okay, so, and this is the third tool, but for now you guys could just know the second tool. So after closing above this blue line, the Anonymous Stacker blue line, and we're above the 200 EMA, we're going to take a long trade. I'm just going to delete this and show you how I decide where my stop loss is and where my take profit is. And this is a MACD, and I use this as divergence. So for example, we were to go down here, in the right, if we were to see this candle and it's going down, it's under the 200 EMA, and it's cutting this line, the Anonymous Stacker orange line, that means we're supposed to go down. But why didn't I take this trade is because of MACD. This is called a divergence. If the price is showing a downtrend and the MACD is showing the opposite, you see. So we're not going to be taking this trade to the downside because the MACD is saying that there is a divergence and the markets are saying something else. There is more strength in the market, but what the price is showing is a totally different picture. So that's why I did not take this down trade, but we took the uptrend trade, which was right here. So this is the tool which I use, long position. So this from here, we entered the market, and our stop loss would be this orange line right here. Okay, so this orange line, and there's going to be a spread of, I think, about 50 cents. So we're gonna add that 50 cents and make it like 2070, and our take profit is gonna be 2 to 1 risk reward. You guys can see that here. I'm just gonna make it go up till 2, so it's 1.8, 1.9, 1.99. It's good enough. Oh, 1.98. I'll just move a little bit more. 1.99, 2.01. Okay, let's just leave it here. All right. So why I picked a 2 to 1 risk to reward is because obviously I'm not always right. If I was always right, I would be like a rich guy, and you're not, nobody in the world can be 100% right. So by deciding that I'm gonna use 2 to 1, I'm just making myself more safe, because now I only have to be right once in every 3 trades and I'm still making profit, considering that you're using the same amount of money that you're risking is all every time the same in all 3 trades. And if you're only right once, you're still gonna make money, because in the long run you still have the 1%. So out of 100 trades, you could lose 66 trades, you could win 33 trades, but there is still that one trade that will leave you some money. So we're just playing with the probability too, but we're not shooting blindly. This is an actual strategy which I have back tested. Alright guys, so but right now, where the price is right now, there is a short-term support, but it's not like a long-term support. So it might just break, or it might just go sideways for a couple of days more before it takes off. And I think tomorrow is gonna be an off day on the market because of the new year. And so yeah guys, that's my trading setup. That's how I take trades for the short term on like some trading platforms like FXCM. And let me know what you guys think, and if you guys want to see more of these trades that I can take live with you guys, or do you guys want to see you guys want to have this indicator itself, just let me know in the comments and I can arrange this uh, trading tool for you guys. Okay, and sorry, I don't want to open that. Before I close, I'll just give you guys another trade for long term. So as you guys can see here, we have like a trade right here for the long term, and it's gonna be, this is gonna be our stop loss. So I'm just gonna put it here and leave it here so we can review it later. And this was our line, and we're risking $65, and obviously we're gonna be aiming for $130. Yeah, that's right. So I'm just gonna leave this right here so that we can review it in our future videos, and you guys can also see what the status of these trades are. In this case, I'm expecting in the long term the price to go to 2016. It's not long term, it's about medium term. If you want to see long term, we have to open up the weekly chart. Right now we're on the daily chart. For the short term, we were on the 1 hour chart. Okay, so yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed the content, please subscribe and leave a comment if you guys want to see more of these videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.